Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some more exciting 2026 Dodge news to talk about. And if you've been following me on Mopar Insiders or here on the channel, you'll know that we talked about the 2026 Dodge Charger Outlaw just the other day. One of these cars was caught basically filming a commercial or doing some footage for maybe an upcoming release or something like that. We don't know just yet. But basically one Reddit user named CarrotNose258 actually posted video of this car, this red-eye painted car, driving around the Rosa Parks Transit Center in Detroit near Bagley and Cass Avenue, just a few blocks from Woodward, actually doing drifting in that with a drone falling behind it. And of course, you can see that the Detroit police had the area shut down so that it was safe for filming. So that was like one of the first times we actually got a clear sound, audio and visual sound of the new six-pack powered, Dodge Charger Outlaw cars. And you can actually hear, if we go over to Reddit right here, you can actually hear it. So while that might be some exciting news in itself, there's more exciting news. So back in June, I basically broke the news that, hey, the Dodge Durango SRT HELLCAT is scheduled to return for 2026. Now, details will be released in the third quarter of 2025, and we're getting there. We're actually in the third quarter now. And what was really exciting is my wife, when I woke up this morning, she goes, check this video out on Facebook. And I went over to this little this web page called the Metro Detroit News. It's basically it has nothing to do with the actual Detroit news. It's its own thing, but it does like local news events and stuff. And they posted a video of what appears to be the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT HELLCAT also shooting commercial footage in Detroit. So we can go over to that video right here and watch this new Durango in action. So basically, it doesn't look like much has changed for 2026. We do know that basically this confirms that the Durango is back for 2026 for sure with the Hellcat motor. So basically, like I said, I just posted this back in June. But this one here is a little different because it's in a purple paint color that we've never seen before. So it looks like this might be purple haze. We've been talking about this color a little bit recently. A few weeks ago, I got a thing from a buddy of mine in Canada, a dealer, who sent me this. These are the exterior colors for the new 2026 Dodge Charger. And of course, you see some of the colors are returning, like After Dark, Red Eye, Diamond Black, White Knuckle, Triple Nickel, and Ludicrous. But if you go down here, they're actually eliminating Peel Out and Destroyer Gray, and they're replacing them with Green Machine, Purple Haze is this color here, and Steel Blue. Now, Purple Haze is going to make its launch in December of 2025. Now, this is just a computerized, shade of the color, but it could be darker. But we've never seen a purple color like this. I mean, we've had Inviolet and stuff on the Durango before, but this is a totally different color, and it looks to be a blacktop edition. And what's really different is if you look at the Hellcat badging, it looks to be red. So maybe this is a blacktop redline version of the Durango. We don't know just yet. We know that they've been making blacktop redline versions of the GT Plus as well as the RT. We don't have a clue, but this is something totally different. So you can go on there and actually watch the video. And again, here it's kind of funny. They actually have state police Durangos blocking off the intersection there. But it's being shot for a commercial. So again, we haven't heard anything from Dodge just yet saying that, hey, they're going to build the 2026 Durango, especially in some limited edition colors. But basically what it's telling us is Dodge is back to its old self. It's, building more high horsepower vehicles, especially now that SRT is back. It looks like right now the only vehicle under the SRT banner that is badged as the SRT is the Durango. So it makes sense because they're going to basically continue this vehicle for a couple more years. So now they're going to continue on with the Durango Hellcat. Really the only other SRT themed vehicle that, the Chrysler Group has out right now is the RHO. So, but this is the only badged Durango that we've seen that is an SRT. But the really, really weird thing is if you look at, it's got the Hellcat badges, but it just says Durango on the back. It doesn't say Hellcat or like Hellcat or SRT or anything. So this could be an early look, like just something that's like a pilot model that they're using for commercials. We don't know yet, but it was caught with a looks like a vapor gray. Hold on here, a vapor gray one shooting commercials too. Basically that one had stripes on it. I think it had silver stripes. But it shows that they're bringing a whole new Durango lineup for 2026, and hopefully, again, it's back to its old formula of, you know, high horsepower, eye-popping colors, and all that stuff going forward. So, again, there's some exciting stuff to talk about. It seems like Dodge is going back to how it was. So hopefully we'll hear news soon. There's that vapor gray one right there, and there it is there going up over a bridge. But nonetheless, some exciting news to talk about. Not everything's negative, so... Anyways, tell me what your thoughts are on the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Leave them in the comments below. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.